Hey guys, Tanya here. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm in my car. I'm running errands today. I'm getting my latte at Starbucks. Hadn't had one in forever. And then I'm going to go to Lidl. Going to take $10 to get Thanksgiving dinner, a complete dinner for $10 for at least 2 people. My latte will probably cost more than a Thanksgiving dinner. So stay tuned. Would love for you to come along with me, and we're going to get this started. All right, we're going to get these chores done. Okay, guys, I just got my latte, and then I got a chocolate chip cookie. And that was $7.35, and I could get a whole meal. See, that's why we can't keep doing this. I mean, it's okay every now and again, but on a daily basis, when you dropping $10 a day on just coffee, it's hard to come up, because those $10, that's 50. When I was working in corporate America, I would spend $10 a day. That's $50, $200 a month on coffee. Man, that could have been a big savings. But okay, so I'm gonna come back on when I get to Lidl, okay? Okay, guys, I'm at Lidl, and before I get started, I want to thank all of my subscribers. I've gained several new subscribers in the last month. I want to thank all of you guys. And this video is a request from one of my subscribers. I'm a small channel. I have like 800 subscribers, and I am so thankful for every last one of you guys. You guys rock. I am proud. I'm a boutique. I'm not a big superstore, and I don't want to be. I want to, have a nice clientele of people that want to subscribe to my channel, that are interested in what I have to say and what I do. I got 1,600 views on my How to Eat for $10 a Week video, and so that's a lot for me. And I'm very thankful for it. So he asked for me to do another one, and I love doing them. So here we go. And got my Starbucks. Starbucks makes some bomb coffee though. They're high. They're worth it though. All right, I'm gonna go on in. All right. Okay, guys, I just got back from Lidl, and I wasn't able to get everything. I didn't get. They didn't have cranberry sauce, and they didn't have like a cream of celery soup that I was looking for. But I did get some other stuff, and so I made out well. So when I get home, I'll do a haul, okay? Okay, I'm gonna zip over to Kroger. I know they'll have cream of mushroom soup. No, I might go to Walmart. I think it'll be cheaper there. Get some cream of celery soup, cream of chicken soup for the dressing, and some cranberry sauce. And I think that'll be under my budget.
Beat it up, baby, catch a charge. Extra.
It's one of them days.
Put this right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top. I wanna.
Whew. All right, y'all. Just left Walmart. They wore your girl out. Got a few good things in there. Got everything for the $10. I get sweaty after I take off my mask and all of that. I gotta carry a rag with me. Got everything for the $10 Thanksgiving dinner. And then for my home decor people, just got a few little things. All right, so I'll do my haul when I get back to the house. I need to stop and get some gas. I think, it's too many people over there. And my hands are screaming. I've been sanitizing and washing my hands in between all of these shopping visits. So no gas today. It's $1.98 for regular, for unleaded, regular unleaded. Okay guys, now I got back from Lidl, and what I got from there, I hope you guys can hear me. I don't have my microphone on me, but you can get 3 chicken quarters, because in our family, we only eat dark meat, and for a small gathering, no one wants turkey this year, so just a nice chicken, $2.89 per pound. Okay, so that'll just roast that up. And then I got large eggs. I think the eggs were 59 cents for a dozen. And so, you know, this will help make the cornbread. And then you can have a few as appetizers, make some deviled eggs. All right, so stay tuned. I'm just showing you the haul today. And then you stay tuned. I'm going to have a series of Thanksgiving prep. Okay, now this stuffing mix was 69 cents per box. And then I have a box of cornbread. I'm going to make my own cornbread and add it to this. Brown gravy mix. This was 30 cents. And got 2 cans of canned green beans. We hooked these up. They'll taste just like fresh. And these were 49 cents each. And then I got these apples, because since I'm kind of low carb in it, I'm going to make an apple crisp instead of, because we're going to have enough carbs with the cornbread. So just kind of lighten things up and have some apples. Bake those. Okay, so that came up to $5.97 at Lidl. Hope you can see that. And that's a lot of food. Okay, and then at Walmart, I was able to get my cream of celery soup for the dressing, cream of chicken soup, and some cranberry sauce. Let's see, the cranberry sauce was 94 cents. No, cranberry, it was 94. The Campbell's cream of chicken soup was 94, and the cream of celery, the Great Value brand, was 76 cents. So that came up to $2.64. So I didn't do $5.97 plus $2.64 is under $10, and I'm in the garage right now, so I don't have my calculator to calculate it to the penny. And then, you know, so stay tuned, because I'm going to hook it all up. And for my home decor people, right quick, they have towels at Walmart. Like these are $1.97. These are $1.97. I got 4 of those for these towels, because I'm going to be hibernating this winter. Then these hand towels were 94 cents. These are pretty good. And then I got 4 of those. And then the washcloths. These are 47 cents. So I'm just showing you guys this because, you know, things are going to go up. And like, you know, everyone's saying things are going to go up. Things that are in the pipeline now, we can get some good deals on, but when they start bringing in some new stuff, the prices are going to be different. And one more thing. Okay, now my home decor fam, they have these pink towels. These were like $3.97. You know, just to help beat the winter blahs. I'm going pink. That pink spoke to me. And then the hand towels were like 97 cents. No, like $1.19. And I can't find that receipt. And then these are the washcloths. Hand towels were like $1.44. And then this rug. So I'm gonna have pink in my bathroom just to help with the blahs. And this was $6.97. Okay, guys, so that's everything. And thank you so much. Stay tuned for my holiday cooking special, $10 Thanksgiving. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys so much. Thanks so much for your support. Anybody that likes this type of stuff, feel free to join the table, hit subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content, okay? Bye.